Welcome to Kickstart, where you get to see new products here at Automation Direct. Today, I'm going to show you some of our newest tools for wiring solutions that will save you time and frustration. The new Dymo label makers and accessories. Automation Direct now offers two new Dymo labelers, the XTL300 and the XTL500, several accessories, and dozens of label cartridges. Both the XTL300 and the XTL500 are both handheld labelers, and both labelers can be connected to your PC for ease of programming and for adding additional graphics by using the free Dymo ID configuration software. Both printers have color TFT displays and have impact-resistant rubber bumpers, and wipe clean keypads are great for industrial use and on-the-job labeling. The labelers are sold in kits and come with these nice carry cases, AC power adapter for charging or operating from 120 volts AC, a programming USB cable, and labels. We offer replaceable lithium batteries and replacement cutter mechanisms. The XTL300 is a smaller, lighter system that is great for on-the-go or on-the-job site label making with printing of up to 1-inch wide labels. The XTL500 offers a touchscreen, more features, and the ability to print up to 2 1/8 inch wide labels. Now, both are UL recognized and CE certified. Labels come in all-purpose vinyl, flat labels for panels, toolboxes, and more, flexible cable wraps, heat shrink tube, laminated wire cable wrap labels for wire and cable, pre-sized labels, and pre-sized safety right-to-know labels. These labels are available in a variety of colors and sizes and are designed for use in industrial environments. With preloaded label templates, you can create labels quickly. Don't forget, the free Dymo configuration software for your PC allows you to connect to your PC and transfer labels to and from the Dymo ID software, or import graphics and custom graphics, and you can even do batch printing from a spreadsheet. Both labelers support barcode types and offer 300 DPI print resolution. Other accessories include self-laminating sheet labels that can be printed in your laser or inkjet printers. Dymo offers a 3-year warranty on the label makers and 1-year warranty on the label cartridges. And don't forget about our Automation Direct 30-day money-back guarantee. You can find the specs for these new Dymo labelers and accessories on our website at automationdirect.com. Check back with us often on Automation Direct's websites or on youtube.com/automationdirect for more Kickstart videos. If you're watching us on YouTube, please let us know what you think about these new Dymo label makers or how you plan to use them in your next application by dropping us a comment down below. If you have any questions about using Automation Direct products, please contact Automation Direct's free award-winning support team during regular business hours. They'll be happy to help. Click on this short video to learn more about Automation Direct support options, and click here to learn more or see more videos on wiring products. And be sure to click here to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified of new videos. And don't forget to hit the like button below.